We are again, on behalf of BookmarksEducare, we bring some specified question based on derivative. That is, those are first order derivative and second order derivative. Okay, so let's start. About our courses, so we are providing through BookmarksEducare physics, chemistry, math and biology mentorship. So those who are interested in taking our mentorship, please contact our given numbers. Those are already provided on our website page as well as YouTube. Okay, so now we are entering to the main course, that is differentiation. What is differentiation? That has been discussed in previous classes. Okay, so differentiation is nothing but the process of anti-integration, but differentiation is anti-integration. Okay, so differentiation, in case of differentiation, there are two types. But there are, in case of ordinary, there are two types of differentiation. One is ordinary differentiation and another is partial differentiation. So in this class, we will discuss about ordinary differentiation, because partial differentiation is not our syllabus. Okay, so that is beyond our syllabus. So in first order differentiation, there are few formulas which is very essential formula whenever we are going to solve the some related differentiation. These formulas we need very much. Okay, so first of all we have to memorize this formula, and how this formula comes, that also has been discussed in our previous class. Okay, and that is derived, these formulas are derived from limiting definition or principle of differentiation. Okay, or first principle of differentiation or first principle of derivatives. So here the formulas are dd x of c matlab constant. So ddx of c matlab 0. ddx of x to the power n is equal to n into, where x is variable and n is constant. It stands for any number or constant. So then the differentiation of x to the power n with respect to x is n into x to the power n minus 1. ddx of c into f of x. C here c is constant. If any constant is multiplied to the function, or any constant is divided or any function is divided by constant, then the constant will come forward of the differentiation, or c into ddx of the function, given functions. Here the function is f of x, so ddx of f of x means f prime x. So ddx of, if two or more than two functions are added or subtracted in among them, so their derivative will be f dash x or f prime x plus minus g prime x. Product and quotient rules. So if any two functions are in multiplied form and we are asked to find out the derivative of those product function, so then the formula is like this. If you, over here, u and v are their different functions and they are in the multiple form. So ddx of u into v means is equal to a ddx u into ddx of u into ddx of v plus v into ddx of u. So u into f prime plus v into u prime. If the function is in division form, if these two functions, if any two functions are in division form, then their derivative is v into matlab denominator. Here u is numerator and v is denominator. So denominator into ddx of u minus numerator into ddx of denominator divided by denominator square. So chain rule, what is chain rule? Suppose dy by dx is equal to, we can take any variable as for respect. With respect to any variable, we can take any variable. So suppose ddx of sine x square. So first of all, we assume x square as an x. So we know the standard form of derivative, standard formula of derivative, that is ddx of sine x. So what is ddx of sine x? So ddx of, first of all, we have to derivative with respect to x square, because of in main formula, in original formula, what was that? The ddx of sine x. But in this case, the function is sine x square, sine of x square. So we have to derivative sine of x square with respect to x square. So sine x square into, now we have to derivative, we have to find out the derivative of x square. So x, so ddx of x square, because we know the formula already, we learned about the formula, we learned the formula of x to the power n. So ddx of x square. So this is called chain rule. So cos x square into 2x. This is the required answer. Now ddx of sin x cos x, ddx of cos x minus sin x, ddx of tan x sec square x, ddx of cot x minus cosec square x, ddx of sec x into tan x, ddx of cosec x minus cosec x into cot x, ddx of e to the power x, where e is an exponent. So e also irrational number whose value lies between 2 to 3. So ddx of e to the power x is variable, so ddx of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. Ddx of a to the power x stand for any, sorry, a stand for any number or constant, but in the power x is variable. So ddx of a to the power x is equal to a to the power x log a to the base e. Okay. Again, I am telling something. In case of sin x, cos x, tan x, मतलब ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन जो है जिसका डेरिवेटिव हम लोग ने यहाँ पर फाइंड आउट किया है. सो जो एंगल है साइन एक्स जो एंगल है, यहाँ पर एंगल ऑलवेज इज बीइंग मेजर्ड in radians, okay, not in degree, okay. This you have to keep it in your mind. Here angles are measured in radians, not in degree, okay. So if in any question the angles is given in the form of degree, then you must the angle that that degree into, you have to convert the degree into the radian. Okay, if any sum is given in the angle is if in any trigonometric function the angle is given as degree form, you have to convert the degree into the radian. Okay, so suppose sine x degree. So what we know, the relation between degree and radian is 180 degree is equal to pi rad or pi radian, RADIAN, pi radians. So 1 degree is equal to pi by c 180 radian, and whatever it may be the angle, whatever it may be, x degree or y degree or z degree, whatever it may be. So here angle is x degree, so x degree is equal to, this is the unitary method. Okay, so x in pi into x by 180 radians. So this is the conversion. Okay, so here the angle is given in the formulas, angle is given in radian form. So here we don't need to convert them, but if it is in degree form, you must convert into the radian. This is the main thing. Okay, so that what we have, what I have said to you. Okay, now ddx of log x ln x matlab log x to the base e. In case of calculus, always logarithm, Neparian logarithm is used. What is Neparian logarithm? The logarithm in which the base is considered as e. Okay, so ddx of log x to the base e is equal to 1 by x. ddx of log x to the base a means 1 by ddx of log x to the base e. First of all, we have to convert, this is considered as common logarithm. First of all, we have to convert this logarithm into the Neparian logarithm. So that can be done in this way: log x to the base e by log a to the base e. So here log a to the base e is considered as constant. So log a to the base e into ddx of log x. So we don't need to mention base over here. Okay, so 1 by x, and this is meant log ln a. This can be written as like this: differentiation of inverse trigonometric function, that is ddx of sine inverse x is equal to 1 by root over of 1 minus x square. ddx of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by root over of 1 minus x square. ddx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. ddx of cot inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square, and ddx of sec inverse x is equal to 1 by mod of x into root over of x square minus 1. ddx of cosec inverse x just minus 1 by mod x into root over of x square minus 1. So this is all about formula of derivative. Now what is first order derivative? First order derivative is nothing but the rate of change. It is rate of change of the function with respect to any variable at a particular point. So first order derivative is nothing but the rate of change of the function with respect to a variable. Okay, it indicates whether the function is increasing or decreasing, or otherwise you can say first order derivative is nothing but the method of finding out slope of a tangent line at any particular tangent line to the curve at any particular or any specific point. Okay, so and the what it represent direction of the direction of change. What is direction of change? Negative derivative always indicates the function is increasing, okay, is decreasing, and positive in sign included derivative is considered it, or positive sign included derivative always indicates that the function is always increasing. Okay, so and it is the, and it is denoted matlab it is it represent the slope of a tangent line to the any curve at any particular or specific point. Okay, so and utilization of first order derivative we use to find out the slope in mathematics. In physics we use to find out the speed. Okay, and in engineering it is used to find out the condition that maximize the power delivered to a load in case of engineering, and in case of economics it is used for finding out marginal cost. Okay, now second order derivative. What is second order derivative? The process of taking the process of taking derivative of first order derivative. So second order differentiation is the process of taking of the first order derivative of a function. So it is also described as the rate of change, and it indicates the concavity of a curve. Okay, and it also indicates the inflection point. Inflection point means where the concavity changes. Okay, and always and it also represents the curvature or concavity of a function's graph. Clear? So what is concavity? What is concavity? So if the function, double derivative of function that is denoted by f of x is greater than 0, then we can say the function of the graph of a function opening upward or concave up. When if double dash x less than 0, then we can say that the function, the graph of function is opening downward or concave down. Okay, and second order derivative are used to find the local maximum or minimum value. It indicates, already I have said that it indicates the inflection point where the concavity changes, and it is used also find out the rate of change of slope. Okay, and in case of physics, it is used to find out acceleration, retardation. Okay, so this is all about second order derivative. This is the little what I have said. This is only little bit ideas on first order derivative and second order derivative. Clear? So now we come to the sum. So here few sums are arranged for you, which are specified and as well as selective few sums that will help to get little bit conception about derivative. So first sum is, let f of x is equal to 2 to the power 2x minus 1 and phi of x is equal to psi of x is equal to minus 2 to the power x plus 2 into log x, 2 into x into log 2. So, and the condition is, if f dash x greater than psi dash x, then what will be the option? What will be the answer among given four options? So, first of all, we have to find out the derivative of two given functions, first order derivative. So, one thing is that first order derivative is denoted in several notation such as f dash x dy by dx or ddx of f of x, and second order derivative can be represented by d2y by dx2 or f double prime or double dash x. Okay, so f dash x means ddx of 2 to the power 2x minus 1 greater than phi dash x means ddx of minus 2 to the power x plus 2x into log 2 to the base e. Here e is in understood form. Okay, so ddx of 2 to the power 2x minus 1 means 2 to the power 2x minus 1 into log 2 to the base e into ddx of applying chain rule in this function. So again we have to find out the derivative of 2x minus 1. So 2x ddx of 2x minus 1 means into 2 greater than minus ddx of 2 to the power x 2 to the power x into log 2 plus 2 into log 2, because ddx of x is 1. So 2 to the power x into log 2 माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा यहाँ पर, सो log 2 minus 2 log 2. If we take common log 2, if we take log 2 as common factor, so then 2 to the power 2x plus 2 to the power x minus 2 greater than 0. So this function is in the quadratic form. So 2 to the power 2x, 2 minus 1 into 2 to the minus 2 greater than 0, 2 to the power 2x plus 2 into 2 to the power x minus 2 to the power x minus 2 greater than 0. So 2 to the power x अगर कॉमन ले लेंगे तो क्या होगा, 2 to the power x हो जाएगा यहाँ पर प्लस 2 हो जाएगा, यहाँ से माइनस 1 कॉमन ले लेते हैं इस दोनों से. सो 2 to the power x प्लस 2 हो जाएगा ग्रेटर देन 0. सो 2 to the power 2x plus 2 into 2 to the power x plus 2 into 2 to the power x minus 1 greater than 0. Since so 2 to the power 2x minus 1 will be greater than 0 because this cannot be equal to 0. This always greater than 0. Okay, for any value of x, for any value of x, this sign stand for any value. Okay, so 2 to the power x greater than 1, 2 to the power x, instead of 1 we can write 2 to the power 0, so x greater than 0. So x greater than 0, B is the right option for this sum. Got it? So the next sum is, we are going to next sum, that is if y is equal to log sine x degree whole to the power 7, then we have to find out the value of dy by dx. So first of all, what I have said, now whenever the angle is given in degree form, then we have to convert that angle into the radian. Okay, in the radian form. Okay, so y is equal to log x log of sine pi x by 180, because 180 radian, so we don't need to write radian. So radian, because x degree changes to this, so x degree changes to pi x by 180 radian, radian. So whole to the power 7. So now applying chain rule, what we will get, dy differentiating on both sides with respect to x, because in the right hand side the variable is x, so we have to differentiate on both sides with respect to x, because over here x is independent variable. So ddx of y means dy by dx, so you have to write over here. I didn't write, but all of you students, all of you have to need to write differentiating on both sides with respect to x. This you have to mention. So ddx of y means dy by dx. So we assume log of sine pi x So this whole function log of sine pi x by 180 taken as, assumed as x. So x to the power 7. So derivative of x to the power 7 means 7 into x to the power 6. X means log of sine pi x by 180 whole to the power 7 minus 1, 6 into log of this portion. We have to differentiate. So 1 by log of sine pi x by 180 into log of sine pi x by 180, मतलब 1 by sine pi x by 180. उसके बाद साइन ऑफ पाई एक्स बाई 180 का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा, कॉस ऑफ पाई एक्स बाई 180 इंटू पाई एक्स बाई 180 का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा, पाई बाय 180. So this is the required answer, but we have to simplify this. So log of 7 into log of sine x degree, instead of pi x by 180 we can put x degree, we can write x degree to the power 6 into cot हो जाएगा cot x degree into pi by 180 into 1 by log of sine x degree. So this is the required answer. Now the next sum is let f be a function satisfying f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y, and f of x is equal to x squared into g of x for all value of x and y, where g of x is continuous for all value of x. Now we have to find out the value of f dash or f prime x. So applying the first principle of derivative. So what is the first principle of derivative? That we have also learned in our previous class, that is f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Now limit h tends to 0, instead of x plus h, what we can write? We can write f of x plus f of h minus f of x, because if we put h instead of y, then f of h is equal to f of x plus f of h हो जाएगा. Clear? So by h and f of x will be cancelled out. So limit h tends to 0 is equal to f of h by h. Now f of x का वैल्यू क्या है? f of x is equal to x square into g of x. So लिमिट, यहां पर x की जगह पे h बैठा देता हूं, तो बैठाने के बाद क्या होगा ना, f of h is equal to h square into g of h. So instead of f of h we can write h square into g of h. by h. So h will be eliminated. So limit h tends to 0, h into g of h. So just put the value of h. So 0 into g of 0 means 0. So required answer is D. Required option is D. 0 will be the right answer. Okay. So another next sum is y is equal to x square by 2 plus 1 by 2 into x into root over of x square plus 1 into log of root over of x plus root over of x square plus 1. So what we have to prove? Now we have to prove that y 2y is equal to x into dy by dx plus log of dy by dx. So first of all we write the sum x square by 2 plus half into x into root over of x square plus 1 plus log of root over of x plus root over of x square plus 1. Okay. So differentiating on both sides with respect to x. So ddx of y means dy by dx. ddx of x square by 2 means हाफ इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा 2x प्लस ये चेन रूल हो जाएगा x को रखकर ddx of root over x square plus 1 means 2x by 2 root over of x square plus 1 प्लस प्रोडक्ट रूल यहाँ पर अप्लाई हो रहा है इंटू 1 ddx of x मतलब 1 plus ddx of log of ddx of log of root over x plus root over of x square plus 1. So half चला आएगा half into ddx of log x square plus 1. So 2 कट जाएगा x प्लस 2 एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा x प्लस x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाई रूट ओवर ऑफ x स्क्वायर हो जाएगा सॉरी x स्क्वायर हो जाएगा x इंटू x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 हाफ इंटू 1 बाई x प्लस root over of x square plus 1 into 1 plus 2x by 2 root x square plus 1. So x plus half into 2x square plus 1 by root over of x square plus 1 plus half into 1 by x plus x root over of x square plus 1. So 2 कट जाएगा x plus root over of x square plus 1 by root over of x square plus 1. So AAVB, this portion will be eliminated. So x plus half into 2x square plus 1 by root over of x square plus 1 plus 2 into root over 1 by 2 into root over of this. So x plus एलसीएम कर देता हूँ 2 into root over of x square plus 1 2x square plus 1 plus 1 sorry. So dy by dx is equal to x plus 2 टू कॉमन कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 बाय 2 into 2 to the power of x square plus 1. So x square plus 1 by 2 to the power of x square plus 1. Okay. So x plus रैशनलाइज कर देता हूं तो क्या हो जाएगा रूट ओवर ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1. सो नाउ taking log to the base e on both sides, so dy by dx is equal to log of x plus root over of x square plus 1. Okay. So now y is equal to, I am writing the sum again, y is equal to x square by 2 x into root over of x square plus 1 by 2 plus half into log of x plus root over of x square plus 1. Okay, so multiplying on both sides by 2, so 2y is equal to x square plus x into root over of x square plus 1 plus log of x plus root over of x square plus 1. So what will be the value of log of x plus root over of x square plus 1? So log of x plus root over of x square plus 1 is equal to 2y minus x square minus x into root over of x square plus 1, and this portion will be put in this figure. Okay, so log of dy by dx is equal to, instead of log of x plus root over of x square plus 1, we can put this portion 2y minus x square so Now so dy by dx, okay, so dy by dx 2y माइनस कॉमन ले लेता हूं दोनों से, सो क्या हो जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स कॉमन ले लेता हूं माइनस एक्स कॉमन ले लेता हूं यहां से, सो x plus root over of x square plus 1. So instead of this portion we can also put dy by dx, okay. So log of dy by dx is equal to 2y minus x into dy by dx. So 2y is equal to x into dy by dx plus log of dy by dx. So proved. Clear? Another next sum, that is if f of x minus f of x minus f of 1 by x is equal to tan inverse x, then what will be the value of f dash 1? So first of all we have to differentiate on both sides. So ddx of f of x means f dash x minus ddx of 1 by x means f dash 1 by x, फिर 1 by x को डेरिवेटिव करना पड़ेगा with respect to x, that will be minus 1 by x square. Okay, this is based on chain rule. This is based on chain rule, applying chain rule. Is equal to ddx of tan inverse x मतलब 1 by 1 plus x square हो जाएगा. So putting the value of x 1. So 1 is put instead of x. So f dash 1 plus से minus plus हो जाएगा. So f dash 1 by 1 मतलब 1 हो जाएगा और 1 by 1 स्क्वायर मतलब 1 हो गया, is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1. So 2 into f dash 1 is equal to half. So f dash 1 is equal to 1 by 4. So the option is none of these. Okay. So required value of f dash 1 is 1 by 4 and option will be D. Next sum is, first here this is our BookmarksEducare where education touches excellence. Okay, so this is our contact number and website address. So you can contact us through this number and you can visit our website page that is given over here on the screen, that is given on the screen. Okay, so another sum is if x is equal to sine inverse sine inverse 3t minus 4t cube. This is meant 3 sine inverse t. This is the formula of inverse trigonometric function. Okay, we can write sine inverse of 3t minus 4t cube is 3 into sine inverse t. Now let theta is equal to sine inverse t. So t is equal to sine theta. Okay, so x is equal to 3 theta. यहाँ पर थीटा बैठा देता हूँ, इसका वैल्यू थीटा एज्यूम कर लिया. तो ddx of differentiating on both sides with respect to theta. So ddx of dt theta of x मतलब dx by d theta is equal to 3 हो जाएगा. Now y is equal to cos inverse 8 into t to the power 4 minus 8t square plus 1. So putting sin theta instead of t. So cos inverse 8 into sin to the power 4 theta minus 8 into sin square theta plus 1. So यहाँ से हम 8 sin square थीटा कॉमन ले लेता हूं, तो क्या रह जाएगा, sin स्क्वायर थीटा रह जाएगा यहाँ पर -1. ओके, प्लस 1. सो cos इनवर्स माइनस अगर यहाँ से कॉमन ले लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस, इसका मतलब माइनस cos स्क्वायर थीटा. सो 1 माइनस 8 sin स्क्वायर थीटा इंटू cos स्क्वायर थीटा हो जाएगा. सो cos इनवर्स ऑफ 1 माइनस 4 इंटू 8 को हम स्प्लिट कर लेते हैं 2 इंटू 4 में. cos इनवर्स 1 माइनस 2 इंटू 4 और 4 की जगह पे हम 2 इंटू साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा होल स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं. सो cos इनवर्स ऑफ 1 माइनस 2, ये तो मल्टीपल एंगल का फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा. 2 साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा मतलब साइन 2 थीटा और उसका स्क्वायर है. सो 2 इंटू साइन स्क्वायर 2 थीटा. ओके, सो ये भी फॉर्मूला मल्टीपल एंगल का क्या हो जाएगा, cos इनवर्स cos ऑफ 2 इंटू 2 थीटा मतलब cos 4 थीटा मतलब 4 थीटा हो जाएगा. क्लियर. सो y is equal to 4 theta. So differentiating on both sides with respect to theta. So dy by d theta is equal to 4. Now we have to find out the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. dy by d theta मतलब 4, उसका वैल्यू तो 4 होगा और dx by d theta का वैल्यू 3 होगा. सो दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. ओके, if the given function is this, then we have to prove y2 सबस्क्रिप्ट में हो जाएगा. ये d2y by dx2 का वैल्यू ये निकलना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, ये वैल्यू होगा. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल y इज इक्वल टू रूट ओवर ऑफ साइन x plus root over of sin x root over of sin x plus dot is going on. So squaring on both sides, y square is equal to sin x plus root over of sin x plus root over of sin x, and it's going on. So instead of this we can put y, because we will get same result after squaring also. So instead of this we can put y. So y square minus y is equal to sin x. So differentiating on both sides with respect to x. So 2y into dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to cos x. Okay. So dy by dx कॉमन ले लेता हूं यहां से, तो 2y रह जाएगा, 2y माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू cos x. सो dy by dx मतलब क्या हो जाएगा, dy by dx इज इक्वल टू cos x by 2y minus 1. Now differentiating on both sides again with respect to x. Further differentiating on both sides with respect to x, what we will get, d2y ddx of dy by dx means d2y by dx2, d2y by dx2 is equal to 2y minus 1 whole square, 2y minus 1 into ddx of cos x मतलब minus sin x minus cos x into ddx of 2y minus 1 मतलब 2 into dy by dx, और 1 तो 0 हो जाएगा उसका डेरिवेटिव. सो इज इक्वल टू minus 2y minus 1 into sin x minus cos x into 2 into dy by dx का वैल्यू क्या है, cos x by 2y minus 1. Okay. So 2y minus 1 whole square, so is equal to 2y minus 1 से both साइड मैंने both न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूं. सो माइनस 2y minus 1 whole square into sin x minus 2 cos square x by 2y minus 1 whole cube. So y स्क्वायर माइनस वाई मतलब पहले हम साइन एक्स का वैल्यू क्या निकल लिए थे ना, साइन एक्स इज इक्वल टू वाई स्क्वायर माइनस वाई, दैट already has been found out. Okay. So minus 2y whole square, sin x का वैल्यू y स्क्वायर minus y 2 into cos square x मतलब 1 minus sin square x. So sin square x मतलब y square minus y whole square. Okay, by 2y minus 1 whole cube. So minus 2y minus 1 y square minus y minus 2 plus 2 into y square minus y whole square. So 2y minus 1 whole cube. Now d2y by dx2 is equal to, दोनों से कॉमन ले लेता हूं, y स्क्वायर माइनस d2y by dx2 is equal to y स्क्वायर माइनस y, कॉमन लेने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस 2y माइनस 1 ये रह जाएगा, दोनों से ये कॉमन लेता हूं, y स्क्वायर माइनस y प्लस 2 इंटू वाई स्क्वायर माइनस वाई रह जाएगा और इधर से माइनस 2 जो है वो रह जाएगा. ओके, बाय वाई टू वाई माइनस 1 होल क्यूब. सो वाई स्क्वायर माइनस वाई, ब्रैकेट ओपन कर देता हूं, सो माइनस 2y प्लस 1 प्लस 2y स्क्वायर माइनस 2y minus 2. So two y minus 1 whole cube plus 1 minus 2 2y minus 1 whole cube so 2y square y1 ओके सो ये वाला ले आना पड़ेगा y square minus y y square minus 2y plus 2 plus 1 minus 2y यहाँ पर किसी जगह पे मिस्टेक हुआ है मैं फिर से करता हूँ ये वाला सम कोई एक जगह पे थोड़ा बहुत मिस्टेक हो गया सो y इज इक्वल टू y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू साइन एक्स फिर से नया सम कर रहा हूँ ठीक है शुरू से कर रहा हूँ y सो y स्क्वायर माइनस y इज इक्वल टू साइन एक्स इज इक्वल टू 2 into dy by 2y dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to cos x. So dy by dx 2y minus 1 cos x. So dy by dx is equal to cos x by 2y minus 1. So dy by d2y by dx d2y by dx2 is equal to 2y minus 1 whole square. So 2y minus 1 into minus sin x हो जाएगा minus cos x into 2 into dy by dx. Okay, so 2y minus 1 whole square. So minus 2y minus 1 into sin x minus 2 cos x 2 cos x dy by dx का मतलब cos x by 2y minus 1. Okay, so d2y by dx2 is equal to minus 2y minus 1 whole square sin x minus 2 cos square x by 2y minus 1 whole cube. ओके whole cube तो मिल ही गया अब So y square minus y is equal to sin x. So minus 2y होल स्क्वायर साइन एक्स का मतलब y स्क्वायर माइनस y और 2 इंटू 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर 1 माइनस y स्क्वायर माइनस y होल स्क्वायर. So 2y minus 1 whole cube. So minus 2y minus 1 whole square y square minus y minus 2 plus 2 into y square minus y. Okay. So 2y minus 1 whole cube. So now minus 4y square minus 4y plus 1 into y square minus y minus 2 plus 2 into y square minus y. Okay. So 2y minus 1 whole cube. So d2y dx2 is equal to minus 4y square यहाँ से हम लोग एक ट्रिक्स अप्लाएंगे जो है माइनस 4 कॉमन ले लेता हूँ दोनों से y स्क्वायर माइनस y हो जाएगा. ठीक है. प्लस 1. ओके. सो y स्क्वायर माइनस y minus 2 plus 2 into y square minus y by 2y minus 1 whole cube. So minus 4 into y square minus y whole square minus y square minus y whole square. सॉरी, नहीं होल स्क्वायर होगा, नहीं, ये होल स्क्वायर नहीं होगा, ये होगा a. ओके. सो minus 2 plus 2y square बस. So 2y minus 1 whole cube. So minus y square minus y minus 2 minus 2 y square minus y by 2y minus 1 whole cube. Okay. So d2y dx2 is equal to minus 2 minus 2y square minus y minus y square minus y whole square by 2y minus 1 whole cube. माइनस कॉमन ले लेता हूं. सॉरी, यहां से वाला 2 स्क्वायर रह जाएगा, ये अलग रह जाएगा ये. सो माइनस कॉमन लेने से क्या हो जाएगा 2 प्लस y स्क्वायर माइनस y प्लस 2 into y square minus y whole square. Okay, this is very tricky sum. Very simple but tricky. Okay, proved. So another sum is h of x is equal to f double dash x plus 2 into f dash x plus f of x plus 2, where f of x is equal to e to the power 5x. So differentiating on both sides with respect to x, तो f dash x is equal to 5 into e to the power 5x हो जाएगा. फिर अगर डेरिवेटिव करेंगे तो डबल डेरिवेटिव, सो 25 e to the power 25 e to the power 5x हो जाएगा. So now h of x is equal to f double dash x means 25 e to the power into e to the power 5x plus 2 into मतलब 10 हो जाएगा e to the power 5x plus f of x मतलब e to the power 5x plus 2. अब 0 बैठा देता हूँ यहाँ पर, putting 0 instead of x, 25 plus 10 plus 1 plus 2. So 8, 30, 3, 35, 38 is the required answer. The right option is C. Okay. And if y is equal to tan inverse log of e by x square by log of e into x square plus tan inverse 3 plus 2 log x by 1 minus 6 log x. So tan inverse, इसका मतलब log e means 1 minus log का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर देता हूँ यहाँ पर, log x square means 2 log x by 1 plus 2 log x. Okay, plus tan inverse 3 plus 2 log x by 3 into 2 log x. 6 into log x को हम लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. So tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 2 log x plus tan inverse 3 plus tan inverse 2 log x. ये ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक इनवर्स फंक्शन का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर दिया. सो tan inverse 2 log x, tan inverse 2 log x कट जाएगा. So differentiating on both sides with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to, ये तो कांस्टेंट है 0 प्लस 0, ये भी 0 हो जाएगा. सो सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव क्या हो जाएगा, फिर इसका अगर डेरिवेटिव करेंगे तो 0 तो कांस्टेंट ही है, तो 0 का डेरिवेटिव 0 ही हो जाएगा. सो 0 आंसर हो जाएगा इसका. ओके, एंड द लास्ट सम इज today's last sum, that is very important and very interesting. If x is equal to e to the power z, then we have to show that this. So taking log to the base e on both sides, so log e is equal to z. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x, 1 by x is equal to dz by dx. Okay, now dy by dx is equal to dz dy by, sorry, dy by dx means dy by dz इंटू dz by dx हम लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं क्योंकि dz dz एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. सो dy by dz और dz by dx मतलब 1 by x. सो x क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर देता हूं तो x इंटू dy by dx इज इक्वल टू dz by, sorry, dy by dz. So differentiating on both sides with respect to x. So x को रख के अगर dy by dx को डेरिवेटिव करना है तो क्या होगा रिजल्ट, d2y by dx2 प्लस dy by dx is equal to ddx of dy by dz मतलब ddz of dy by dz by dx. Okay, so x into d2y by dx2 plus dy by dx is equal to d2y by dz2 plus, sorry, into इसका डेरिवेटिव हो गया इंटू dz by dx. dz by dx मतलब 1 by x. So x square, x से multiplying on both sides by x, so x square into d2y by dx2 plus x into dy by dx is equal to d2y by dz2. So x square into d2y by dx2 is equal to d2y by dz2. ये गलत है, x होगा या dz होगा, d2y dz2 यहाँ पर मिसप्रिंट है, ये z हो जाएगा, ठीक है, d2y by dz2 माइनस x इंटू d2y dx. Somehow I think this sum is misprinted. So x square into d2y by dx2 differentiating ठीक है ये dy by dz ओके भी ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है। क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एक्स प्रोडक्टेड, इसको डेरिवेटिव डी टू वाई बाई डी एक्स टू प्लस डी वाई बाई डी एक्स, ओके, बाय ये हो जाएगा डी टू वाई डी जेड टू और डी जेड बाई डी जेड बाई डी एक्स मतलब एक्स हो जाएगा, ठीक है। और ये x इंटू डी वाई बाई डी एक्स हो जाएगा। I think this sum is misprinted. Okay, so let me check first of all. Misprinted আছে। डिजिट हो जाएगा, ठीक है। सो फिर से ये सम मिसप्रिंटेड है, सो हम करेक्ट कर देते हैं। इतना तक तो ठीक ही है। सिर्फ ये होगा, प्रूफ करना क्या पड़ेगा ना, एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू डी टू वाई बाई डी एक्स टू इज इक्वल टू डी टू वाई बाई डी जेड टू। एक्स पर एक्स टू की जगह पे डी जेड टू होगा माइनस डी वाई बाई डी जेड, ओके। सो differentiating on both sides with respect to x, so x into d2y by dx2 plus dy by dx फिर भी देख लेना। This is equal to ddx of dy by dz, that is meant ddz of dy by dz into dz by dx. So x into d2y by dx2 plus, instead of dy by dx we can put 1 by x into dy by dz plus is equal to d2y by dz2 into dz by dx. So x into इस सम पे यहाँ पर भूल था, ठीक है, करेक्ट कर लो। प्लस 1/x इंटू dy by dz is equal to, instead of dz by dx we can put 1/x into d2y, sorry d2y by dz2. So multiplying on both sides by x, so x square into d2y by dx2 plus dy by dz is equal to d2y by dz2. So प्रूफ हो गया। So x square into d2y by dx2 is equal to d2y by dz2 minus dy by dz। So जस्ट यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा भूल रहने से कितना टाइम लग गया देखो। सो हम ठीक कर दिए, d2y by dz2 हो जाएगा, ठीक है। सो दैट इज ऑल आवर लास्ट today's class, okay? Now thank you for your attention. So BookmarksEducare where education touches excellence, मैंने पहले से ही बता दिया। और अब लोग जो कांटेक्ट करना चाहते हो तो इस कांटेक्ट नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो, और यहाँ पर यूट्यूब लिंक भी दिया है। प्लीज स्टे ट्यून्ड विद अस थ्रू यूट्यूब लिंक where you will get a lot of such type of videos, educational videos, and this is our Facebook link. Through this link you can visit what class, which class, what class or which class from which subject will be held on what day, okay, that will be informed through this Facebook as well as YouTube as well as Instagram, okay. And next Friday I will discuss about integration, okay. Integration first part. Integration is the first chapter, so I will discuss only first portion, first part. After that we will discuss second part of integration and third part of integration, and it's going on. So next Friday we will discuss about first part of integration, okay. And please, the student who are interested, please you can buy our mentorship, and our mentorship is live, enrollment is opening, okay, it's going on. So the student who are interested, please join through our mentorship.